Guys, if you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button for support, and if you really like the video and want to be notified when we release a new video, please hit the notification button at the end of the video and we'll notify you when we release a new video. As for your information, we make lots of videos on how to resolve computer problems, and if you have having problem with your computer, maybe this video or any of the old videos we have made might help you, so don't forget to see our other videos too. Please also don't forget to comment below any questions, any thoughts, any disagreement, and we'll try to reply as soon as we can.
Hi guys, today we're going to be doing the opening of the Oculus Quest 2. We have a brand new box today, so we're just going to open it here for you. Is a complete wireless system of virtual reality. Very good games, very popular now, so we thought we'd just open and tell you what's on the box and what to expect. Very easy to set up, very easy to get into it, very spectacular views and a very addictive game, to be honest with you, but nevertheless, here it is. So you get the handset and the two so the two controllers you get with it. So basically this is it, the two controllers and the handset. There's not more to it. Let's bring the headset here and show you around. So basically it's nearly the same with the old ones where you could put the mobile on top, but this is completely different quality. This is built-in virtual reality. So this is if this plastic is if you have glasses, so you can put this in front and create a little bit of a separation between the headset and your glasses, so that you could actually use your glasses, but if you don't, then you don't have to use it. The small box has got the charges on it and instructions on how to use it and how to set it up. But like I said, on setting it up, it's not very difficult. It's just like charge it, put it on, connect it to wireless, and then just follow the screen instructions there and start using it. This is the instructions that you have on it. It's in few languages. Basically English is there. For us it's just straightforward to just open it and carry on. Yeah, this is for the plastic bit as well. Like I said, if you wanted to put the plastic around and, you know, use glasses and do it that way. On the controllers, these bits is you just pull them out so that the batteries start working. So we did it in the first one and then the second one, and basically that's it. So now you take off the plastics in front of it, where your eye is gonna be. That's where the charger goes, and it's got a few other buttons here to reset it and press it for menu and stuff. The belt is adjustable. You can adjust it to your head, scope